Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC internet settings. And in today's video, I'll show you how to put your Windows internet in AirPlay mode without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Click on here, and this window here is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on your click on your Wi-Fi internet. Go ahead and click on Open Network Internet Settings right here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to AirPlay mode. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you turn on this button right here. It's that simple. Once you turn this on, all wireless communication such as Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth is going to be stopped working as far as AirPlay mode is concerned. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows internet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.